Hi guys, onto the game over here. Onto the game I mean. Look, there's a train over here. So I'm just gonna go. So this, by the way, this is the part 2 of Euro Truck Driving Simulator. Yes. So I'm actually going. Oh, I'm actually dancing. I think so. I'm gonna switch lanes over here because over here is the fast lane. Yes. So why are they driving so fast? Don't you see what the speed limit? No. Why can't I go more than that? It's about 80 kilometers, I think so. Loading map. This may take a while. So just load the map quickly. No ads. I'm gonna see you after the ad, please. So finally the ad ended. And it's what actually it was a really narrow road. You could be seeing it. So just going. Not again loading map. How many maps do we have in it? So it would take a while. Whoa, what is that for? You know what? Just drive slowly. It's really good graphics game. Shit. Really, bro? Really? Don't do that in real life. Just don't. I'm a fucking noob. I'm sorry for the wild foul language. No. Okay. So that was close. No, just put on the flasher because I'm gonna go in this. Come on, turn. Yes. So where do you think I should be? No, it's in the other side. Really? You must be kidding me. Really? We're just going to drive along the way over here. By the way, I'm transporting cars. Just going to go like that. Or to park? No. I will do it myself. I'm a good boy. Come on, let's get. What? What? What the hell is that? Yes, I'm gonna take it. Distance driven. I'm gonna skip this ad. Skip. I don't like poker. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to my channel.